Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to give you a walkthrough of the My DLINK Pro Home Indoor and Outdoor Camera application. And just before we start, you will get notifications like so, as you can see here on your screen. You'll see them like so. It's like any other app there is that's out there that's similar to this one. So what you'll do is then you'll open up the app like so, and you'll be presented with a dashboard like this. So on here, this side here, you will have everything that you need to see. You'll have your devices, one tap, event and video settings, add a device, cloud recording, what's new, third party integration, about and sign out. And we'll get out of that there. And if we go back in here, you have another dashboard here, which will tell you your cameras and your hub and so on, your video recording, and your one tap options here, which you can set to be active or not active, whatever the case may be, but we'll show you that more in a minute. So down here again, you have another panels here. You have a settings panel here for your device, your one tap, your schedule, and your account settings. So if you go into your account settings there, you just have simple information there, and you can just decide to turn on and off whatever you don't want. You have automation here, so you can set up automation like so, and you'll have certain rules, and you can add rules. So we go back out of that, you can schedule. As I said, we can do that in one tap as well. You can select schedules. Your device listing here. So we've got the camera and one tap option here, which is the home status and so on, as I mentioned earlier. Bedtime, wake up, panic alarms and so on. You can add to whatever you like here, which is pretty handy. So if you go into your cameras here, you'll have camera 1 and 2. So if you go to 1 here, you'll see on the top right of your indicator status, you have the live camera, which will be this one here for testing purposes. You have your battery and your cloud options there. And if you go into it from here, you can speak from it there. You have 1080p, and you've got your hold to talk. So when you talk, it'll come through, but it's you know what's going to happen there being so close. It'll be just a lot of feedback on it and so on. So from there, you can take a picture, and it'll save to your phone or into the app itself. You can record from here too, simply by pressing that, and then from here, this will bring up the menu up on top here. So after this, if you go into your events and video, you'll be listed with a list like so, and you can delete these from here, or if you open one up, what you can do is, as you can see there, it's just recording back what I was doing there earlier on. You can take a picture, you can download, pause the video, or you can share it through here like so, if you like. So you can pick up whichever sharing option that you want from here, and if you go up here, you can get a different view. So you have a multi-view option there, and you can set the order from here in whichever particular order you want to go. So if you go back into devices here, you've got your camera, hub and sensor. So if you go into hub like so, you can do the siren from here, siren test. As you can hear there, that's through the closed doors and all, so it's pretty loud. So that's how that will work. You have your plug. We don't have the plug for that, so we'll go later. You have a sensor. We don't have the sensor. And as I said, your camera's there. So we have the 2 cameras there. Wi-Fi signal is fair, and we have an 81% on the battery, which is pretty good. So that's pretty much how the app looks like and what it's like. It's pretty simple to use. So you can toggle between your 2 cameras. So if we go on to this one here, you can see that the telly is being watched there on one of them there. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and straightforward, easy enough to use, and pretty impressive. It's pretty fast, pretty sensible, and or sensitive, should I say, and it works well both indoors and outdoors. If you check the next video we have up, we have video footage of indoors, outdoors, day and night and so on, where you can check what the footage is like. The quality is pretty good in the dark and in the daytime, and it's excellent. And again, you have two-way audio, which is great. So that's pretty much how the app looks like. And again, pretty simple. You can have your cloud recording option here. You can get with it. In this package here, you get the cloud recording. So we've already got our 2 cameras in there upgraded, so that's in there. You can rename these cameras as well. As I said, we've just left things standard, so you can just go through it with the app with you. And that's basically it there. Pretty simple. As I said, as soon as you get a notification on your phone, you open it up like so, and it'll bring you to that notification there and then, which is excellent. So that's just a quick look at the app from My DLINK Pro on the Android version. Obviously, iOS might slightly differ, and that's pretty much it. Check out for the full review on site. Any questions, hit us up. techbuzzlearn.com, and thanks for watching.